Hey guys, today I'm going to show
Today I'm going to show you how to delete collection on Shopify. So first things first,
here at their
here at the
homepage.
homepage, you
Left
can
side of
go
the
ahead and
screen,
click
you can
on
see here the
products.
products. Go ahead and click on it.
And down below, you
Then
can
the
see
products.
collections. Go ahead and click on it.
Go on collections.
And then click on your
Here,
preferred collection that you
click on
want
your
to
preferred
delete.
collection. I'll
For
choose
me,
my
I'll
winter
choose my winter
collection.
collection.
Down
And
below,
then down
if you
below, if you
scroll
scroll
down, you're
down,
gonna
you're
see
gonna see
here
delete
delete
collection.
collection.
Go ahead and click on it.
Let's go ahead and click on it.
And then go on
And
again,
here,
click delete
click done.
collection.
In order to proceed,
There you go.
there you go.
If this video was
This video
helpful,
helped you out.
click like and subscribe and comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll make sure to answer them all. Thanks for watching. See ya.